Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is for the week ending 11/20 of 2022 and the stock was CSCO. This is on Thursday the 17th when CSCO gapped up. It was rated a tier 1 gap, maybe tier 1 minus, but awfully good. Entry on a 1 minute secondary sign of strength. The management advanced and reward to risk 1.9 to 1. It was an all-day hold, one target. Before we get going, what's going on this week? Well, this is a holiday week. The market is closed Thursday. There's a half day Friday. DTS will be closed Thursday, of course, and Friday. Will also be closed Wednesday. You can always visit that free stuff page and enjoy everything that's there if you have some free time. But most important, take some time off and enjoy your time, whatever it is that you do or celebrate. Daily chart of CSCO. We're going to gap to right here. We've had more than the usual amount of decent gaps this earnings season. Naturally, as you know, if you watch these Trade of the Week videos, gaps are not all I do by any means, but they're one tool and they're often a great tool, especially when the market is in a difficult position because gaps are unique. You can oftentimes trade them somewhat in a vacuum. So CSCO is going to gap to here this particular day, called that a tier 1 gap. I'm going to get in on that tail that fell. Let's take a look at the hourly chart to get a little better view of the gap. Not a whole lot to learn there. You're gapping to there. That big tail comes down, and that, of course, happens the opening couple minutes of the day, and then we run back and close strong. Here's a 5-minute chart where you can see some good detail for the first time. I got in late. We opened right there, and I was trying to get in like 45.40 by 44.95 or something like that, and it just was kind of moving, and I just had to chase it that far, so I ended up with a late entry. The right entry would have probably about doubled the profit on this. I did get an add in right there though, over 46.01 with a stop under 45.60, so that added some shares, and then just sat back and waited to the end of the day. It wasn't until, I don't think I even managed anything on this until the last hour of the day. I brought the stop up to somewhere under that base, and it was also mentioned to be a good hold if you wanted to take this swing because this is likely going to rally for a few days. 1 minute chart just gives you a little better detail. That opened right there and then trying to get in as quick as I could as that bar turned green. Ended up getting in over 45.70, stop under 45, and then there's that add right there. A nice little add, actually. That would have been a great first entry for somebody who was looking as well. Add over 46.01, stop under 45.60, and then target, of course, goes all to the end of the day. If you like trades like this, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. Hop on over to the DTS homepage and you can figure out how to join us. Take a look at that Trading Room tab, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me, Paul, at disciplinedtradingstrategies.com. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.